welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to do something entirely different, or not entirely different, but you know, something new. We are going to take Elsa, our 2021 Subaru Crosstrek. We're going to take her out today and show you guys in stock form, before we do the wheels, tires, lift, what this little bad girl can do. It's actually pretty interesting. She does quite a bit. Really impressive. So stick around, stay tuned, and hang on. Alright guys, so here we are. We're out on a wash out here in unincorporated area near Banning. This is my wife Tracy. She's going to be driving today to show you guys what it is on a 2021 Crosstrek Sports and what it can and can't do. And by the way, for all you lady female off-roaders, here you go. This will show you that it can be done by women too. So stick around and stay tuned. Alright guys, so that you know, POV point of view here. This is some really soft sand, and you got to remember these tires are aired up to 33 pounds. And we haven't selected any XMODE or any XMODE options. Right now we're just off the street with what she comes with. As you can tell, this is the advantage of all-wheel drive and what it can do and the capabilities that it has. But it's also what Subaru has done over the years and pays homage to their legacy and background. It's kind of nice after all these years that Tracy's finally got her own little vehicle to drive, because for years she was just my shotgun spotter and, you know, person that sat to the right. Now I'm sitting to the right with her in her car and watching her grow and get to know this car a little bit more. By the way, she can drive this thing really well. Or not thing, Elsa, our Subaru. This has definitely become her vehicle. Keep going. You have to loop it back around. There's a offshoot up here you have to take. So follow this way. And then go right. Now, like I said earlier, we haven't put it in any XMODE or any of the options that the Sport comes with and the Subaru Crosstreks have. This is just straight off the street with high tire pressure. It's amazing what this little car can do. Now, I will say, having driven other platforms, this having a 2.5 makes a world of difference. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. As you can see, the Subaru's done a hell of a job with this Crosstrek, especially the Sport with the 2.5. It's got a lot more power. Everything you saw us do here today, we didn't use any of the XMODEs, although it comes with it, but we haven't come across anything really yet after getting to know the carts where it really needed it. But that may change with the left wheels and tires coming soon. So stick around, stay tuned. And if you like what you see, hit the subscribe button, give us a like, give us a thumbs up. Leave your comments below, let us know what you want to see. Until next time, guys, keep it rubber side down.